Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful amazing hairstyles, ideas and inspiration, and even fashion styles, ideas and inspiration. And please, if you're new to the channel, do it to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video or fashion style trendy video that are trendy in 2025. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you beautiful hairstyles that are trendy. Ladies, are you saying what I'm saying? This hairstyle is so beautiful, they're so unique, and they're so stylish. I love this hairstyle. I really want to try one of these hairstyle hats because I can't wait to put on this hairstyle. I believe you also have the same thing in mind. I would love you to watch video to the end. You will definitely find a beautiful hairstyle that you could rock to that your wonderful event of yours. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.